This is a story about a boy and a girl, and the girl got hurt, but the girl know Jesus, so everything worked out in the end. And yeah, I'm gonna be okay. Maybe I gave it up too easy. I barely made you work. Maybe I love too hard. I always end up hurt. It's too far down on my elbow. I'm wearing my heart on my sleeve, exposed so I bleed. When we started, I never knew we would end like this. If I did, I never would've let you hit. Last time was the last time you'll ever get to crack. You'll never break my back. I'm not going back to that. You made me a fool, so my heart no longer beats for you. This time I'm through. I'm done trying to please you. I can't blame you cause I loved it too. Caught up in my feelings. You were really my muse. Actually, you still are. Cause I wrote this song after you left me alone. Now I can't leave this bed. I'm sick and torn up in the head. Wish I had whiskey instead of this pen up in my hand. But this is all she read. The last time was the last time. I'm more than a penny, more than a dime. This last time was the last time. Jesus died for me to be free. I'ma be all I can be. This time was the last time.